Number 1. This 1970 Ford LTD, priced at $7,500 in Sacramento, California. With just 92,000 original miles and a smooth-running automatic transmission, this one-owner classic is impressively well-maintained. Featuring current registration, no fluid leaks, and no known mechanical issues. Dressed in off-white with sharp black interior, it offers timeless style and comfort, plus the added benefit of being smog-exempt. The car runs and drives excellently, requiring no immediate work, and comes with a clean title in hand. It's a turnkey full-size cruiser, ideal for anyone seeking a reliable vintage Ford with original charm. Number 2. This 1963 Buick Electra 225, priced at $4,700 in St. Paul Park, Minnesota, offers timeless full-size luxury and reliable performance. It's powered by the classic 401 nailhead V8, paired with a Dynaflow automatic transmission, delivering smooth power and effortless cruising. With 101,138 miles, it runs and drives great and is reportedly driven nearly every day. The clean white exterior and gray interior maintain a vintage charm, making it a strong candidate for a light restoration or weekend use. As Buick's top-tier model in 1963, the Electra 225 stood out for its upscale comfort, bold styling, and refined V8 performance. Number 3. This well-kept 1979 Lincoln Continental Collector Series, priced at $5,500 in Knoxville, Tennessee, is loaded with luxury and originality. With $14,000 invested and only 2 owners. It features a smooth shifting automatic transmission and boasts recent upgrades, including new brakes, shocks, fuel tank service, timing chain, gaskets, belts, hoses, tires, and more. The white paint has aged gracefully with a touch of patina, while the blue pillow-top velour interior remains in excellent condition. It comes complete with original accessories, like the CB radio and leather toolkit. This classic Lincoln offers timeless comfort and elegance in a true luxury cruiser. Number 4. This 1975 Dodge Dart 2-door, listed at $4,000 in Victoria, Texas, is a rare project car with great potential for the right Mopar enthusiast. It features a newly installed engine that is yet to be completed and has been sitting in use for 7 years. The interior has already been redone, and extras like a new exhaust system are included in the sale. While rust is present in several areas, the car comes with a clean title and original paperwork. As part of Dodge's compact lineup, the 1975 Dart combines simplicity, durability, and classic styling, making it a worthwhile restoration candidate. Number 5. This 1965 Ford Ranchero, priced at $3,500 in Sheridan, California, is a clean-running classic with 100,000 miles and a solid rust-free body, finished in white primer with a black interior. It's equipped with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, new tires, brakes, shocks, and a Flowmaster exhaust that gives it a strong tone. The vehicle is currently registered through April 2026 and comes with a clean title. Whether you're looking to cruise as is or customize it further, this Ranchero offers a great entry into classic car ownership, with no major issues standing in your way. Number 6. This 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D, priced at $5,700 in Midlothian, Virginia, offers a great opportunity to own a piece of early 60s engineering. Powered by the original aluminum 215 V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives well with only 47,600 miles. Recent upgrades include a new master cylinder, carburetor, tires, and windshield. Though the newly installed brakes need some adjusting, the car is being sold on behalf of the seller's father and is a solid, rare example of a compact Oldsmobile with clean style and vintage charm. Number 7. This 1966 Ford Falcon, priced at $7,500 in Rocky Mount, Virginia, is a muscle car enthusiast dream. Featuring a 289 V8 engine swapped from a 1968 model, paired with a 4-speed top-loader manual transmission. It offers an exciting driving experience. The 5-lug conversion and 63 Fairlane rear end ensure durability and strength, with mild patina and solid glass. The Falcon has a vintage charm, while any rust issues have been patched. It currently runs but needs a master cylinder and brake work. The seller may also consider trades for muscle cars like a Mustang or Challenger RT. Number 8. This 1964 Chrysler Imperial sedan, priced at $7,000 in Faribault, Minnesota, delivers classic luxury and power. With an original 413 V8 engine and just 41,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission that provides smooth shifting and effortless cruising. Mostly original, it comes with new exhaust, but needs attention in areas like the brakes and carburetor. There's a small transmission fluid leak and some rust is present, but overall it's a solid classic with great restoration potential. Known for its upscale features and commanding presence, the Imperial remains a symbol of Chrysler's luxury lineup. Bring a trailer and take home this vintage beauty for $7,000 or best offer. Number 9. This 1983 Pontiac Bonneville SE sedan, priced at $5,500 in Memphis, Tennessee, is a solid option for anyone looking for a vintage ride. With just 82,261 miles and its original 305 engine, this two-owner car runs and drives smoothly with no major issues. It features an automatic transmission, offering easy and comfortable driving. The beige exterior and brown interior are in good condition, making it an ideal candidate for a mild restoration or as a daily cruiser. It's priced firm at $5,500 and is ready to hit the road, with only minor finishing touches needed. Number 10. This 1978 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS, priced at $4,800 in Austin, Texas, is a great project car powered by a 350 V8 engine. It runs smoothly but requires front-end work, including bushings and ball joints, part included, as well as interior restoration. It features an automatic transmission for easy driving and cruising. The body is in good condition, featuring a sleek gray exterior with a gold interior. It provides a solid base for finishing and enjoying as a classic. With a clean title in hand, this Monte Carlo offers a fun and manageable project for any enthusiast looking to restore a piece of automotive history. Number 11. This 1975 Buick LeSabre convertible, priced at $7,100 iDelta, British Columbia, Canada. This 1975 Buick LeSabre convertible was sold new in Canada and reportedly remained with original owner until the selling dealer's acquisition in 2018. Power is provided by a 455 Ci V8 paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, and the car is finished in yellow with a black convertible top and a tan interior. The selling dealer is said to have repaired the power top, performed a tune-up, and changed the engine oil and filter. This LeSabre is offered in Canada with partial service records and transferable British Columbia registration. This fourth-generation LeSabre is said to have been refinished in yellow about 30 years ago, and features include chrome bumpers with front and rear bumperettes, chrome trim along the wheel arches, and black rub strips down each side. Images in the gallery below show areas of rust along the bottoms of the front fenders, as well as other blemishes. Factory 15 wheels were Firestone Supreme tires, said to be in need of replacement. The power operation of the black convertible top was repaired in April 2020. The power-adjustable 60/40 split front bench seat, reportedly, was reupholstered in tan vinyl and the carpets replaced. The dashboard features wood grain trim, and amenities include an AM/FM/cassette player, tilt steering, power windows, power locks, and automatic climate control with air conditioning. Factory instrumentation includes a 100 miles per hour horizontal speedometer and a 5-digit odometer that shows just under 83K miles, approximately 500 of which have been added by the selling dealer. The 455 Ci V8 sends power to the rear wheels through a 3-speed automatic transmission. The selling dealer reports that a tune-up and an engine oil and filter change were performed within the past 6 months. Number 12. This 1975 Ford F-150 FX2 pickup, 2D 6.5 feet, priced at $9,500 in Gaithersburg, Maryland, is a long bed project truck powered by a strong-running 1994 160 V8 engine, paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Recent updates include a new carburetor, fuel pump, starter, coil, tires, and an oil change. While it runs and drives, it needs brake bleeding, lighting fixes, and attention to the dented oil pan that bent the pickup tube. This truck offers a solid base for a restoration project or a rat truck build, with great potential. It's priced at $4,000 or best offer. Number 13. This 1981 GMC 2500 long bed, priced at $4,000 in Tulsa, Oklahoma, is a project truck with potential. Powered by a 350 small block and featuring a straight piped exhaust, it was running recently, but currently has a wiring short preventing it from turning over. Equipped with an automatic transmission, the truck comes with new taillights, headlights, carburetor, ignition, starter, and a seat cover. The body shows some rust, but remains solid overall, and includes a clean title. The seller is open to trades, for other trucks only, making it a great opportunity for a restoration project. Number 14. This 1965 Dodge Monaco, priced at $7,500 in Lafarge, Wisconsin, is a rare find. Powered by a 383 V8 engine, it features a rebuilt 727 automatic transmission, with a floor shifter offering a smooth driving experience. The car is solid and runs well, with rally wheels and a front suspension rebuild kit ready for installation. With minimal rust and plenty of character, it's a great base for cruising or further restoration. The Monaco's classic style combined with its strong performance makes it an excellent option for classic car enthusiasts. Number 15. This 1965 GTO original hood for sale, priced at $1,500 in Fremont, New Hampshire, is a black-on-black cruiser with a strong presence. Powered by a reliable engine, it features a new dual exhaust, fresh plugs and wires, and a new distributor for added performance. The car comes equipped with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, offering a comfortable and easy driving experience. While there are some cosmetic flaws, it remains a great driver quality car that's ready for the road. The seller is open to reasonable offers, making this a great opportunity for someone looking for a classic car to enjoy without breaking the bank.